Google's new Nano Banana AI is blowing minds, and the crazy part? You can use it completely free right now. To get started, just head over to elmarina.ai in your browser. You don't even need an account. You can start generating instantly. If the site doesn't open, switch to incognito mode and try again. Once you're inside, you'll see the dashboard. To access Nano Banana specifically, click on the drop-down, select Direct Chat, then hit the image generation icon. It'll switch over to Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview, which is actually Nano Banana running in the background. There's another way too. Just search for Google AI Studio Nano Banana on Google. Click the first link to try Nano Banana, and you're ready to go. Both methods are free. Now there's a daily limit, but if you hit it, you can just wait a few hours or open a new incognito tab and continue generating. Once you're inside, the possibilities are insane. Let me break it down. VFX generation. Want a house on fire or a car exploding in flames? Just type a detailed prompt, upload your base image, and Nano Banana will add cinematic effects instantly. Multiple camera angles. This is one of my favorite features. You can upload an image and tell it to generate the same scene from a low angle, a side profile, or even a drone shot. Unlike other models, it keeps clothing, environment, and style consistent across all angles, making it perfect for video storytelling. Prompt mapping. You can upload multiple characters, name them, and then give detailed instructions like David is on his phone, Sarah is crossing her arms, Maya is raising her hands. Nano Banana understands and executes perfectly. Editing and object replacement. You can swap outfits, remove objects, or replace them entirely. Imagine turning an iPhone into a DSLR camera, or changing a jacket into a white Allen Silly t-shirt. It does it flawlessly while maintaining realism. Restoration and expressions. Got old black and white photos? You can restore them to full color in seconds. You can even change facial expressions, make Einstein laugh, look angry, or stick his tongue out. Works for pets too. Add creatives. Need product placement? Upload your brand image, like an ice cream or skincare cream, and Nano Banana will place it realistically in the scene. These look way more professional than other AI ad generators.